Learning a new language has never been easier, thanks to free apps that fit right in your pocket. Here are the 3 best free apps for learning new languages in 2025. First, Duolingo. It's probably the most popular language app in the world. With fun, game-like lessons, it helps you build vocabulary and practice grammar step by step. Plus, you can set daily goals to stay consistent. Second, Memrise. This app focuses on real-life conversations. You'll learn with short videos of native speakers, so you can pick up natural pronunciation and phrases you'd actually use in daily life. And third, HelloTalk. This one is a bit different. It connects you directly with native speakers through text, voice, and even video chats. It's like having a language exchange partner right on your phone for free. These apps make language learning fun, practical, and accessible for anyone. So, which one will you try first? Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.